How to convert YouTube videos to MP3. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to convert YouTube video to MP3. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First you will launch any web browser and you need to search for youtube.com. Press enter on your keyboard, then you will land on the YouTube website where you need to simply log into your account and you can simply go ahead and open YouTube Studio from bottom left corner of the screen. Click on continue button and then move forward to your content at bottom left corner of the screen. Now you need to simply select any video that you want to download. For example, if this is the video, then you simply need to select the three dots and there you will get the option to download. Click download and the video will get start to download. Simply, you need to locate the folder or file and then you need to simply launch the VLC media player. Now you need to simply select media from your VLC media player at top left corner of the screen. And now you need to simply select convert or save button or simply you can press Ctrl plus R. Once you have opened it, a menu box appear on your screen where you have to simply click add to select the downloaded video file. Now you have to simply locate and then you have to choose the video. Now click on open button and now once done, now you need to simply choose on this convert or save button and then select convert. And now under profile, you need to select audio MP3. Once you have chosen, you need to click on browse in order to choose where to save the MP3 file. So you can keep any file name and you can simply select the location as well. And click on open button and click on the save button as well. Ensure the format is MP3 and you need to click on save, then you need to click on the start button. And once done, after the conversion you can go to the location you've saved it, example music folder, then your MP3 is ready to enjoy. So that's it. Converting YouTube videos to MP3 is that simple. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.